I'm Natasha, your dental therapist at Pure Dental Solutions, and I'm going to talk to you about teeth whitening, the treatment options and how quickly you can expect to see results. Most patients are eligible, but we will assess your oral health beforehand to ensure the treatment is safe and effective for you. Teeth whitening is one of the most conservative and cost-effective ways of improving the appearance of your smile in a very short period of time. We always ensure that the health of your teeth is maintained by using the safest and most effective method for whitening your teeth at home with our take-home kits. Before we undertake teeth whitening, it's important that you have seen a dentist for a checkup within 2 years to ensure your teeth are in good condition and that teeth whitening is appropriate for you, and that you've had a clean with our hygiene team to ensure the best results. Let's start with explaining the take-home kits that we provide. Home whitening trays are custom made for you. This will be done by taking an impression or by providing a digital scan that will be sent to our lab technician. Once your custom trays are ready, you'll return to be shown how to apply a professional grade whitening gel at home for gradual yet effective results. Here's the process. What you want to do is you would take your tray that had been made for you and you'd apply a rice-sized grain of gel into each well on the tray. Our home tray whitening kit is a 2-week process, but it may take a little longer for optimal results. You can maintain your bright smile with occasional top-ups to use at home from Pure Dental Solutions. Most patients may require a brief top-up once a year, depending on their habits, but a full course of whitening is more likely to be repeated after approximately 18 months. For more information or to book a teeth whitening consultation with the team, please visit the website or contact our lovely team on 01785 213 333.